Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Wi-Fi network with Apple TV. To do this, first we'll need to click on the gear icon on our main menu, then scroll down to the network. Right here select Wi-Fi, and then you'll be able to choose other network. Now you need to enter the name of the network you want to join, or actually let's go back. Because when I didn't wait, I thought the other will open all of the networks. So don't click on the other, just wait till all of the networks will show up underneath choose a network, then select one of them and enter the password. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.